So what is your good name?
My name is Yilmami Kunal Somnath. I am a candidate from Maharashtra. I came here for CAPA 2023 interview.
Sir, what is your educational background?
My educational background is civil engineering. I did BTech from College of Engineering.
So sir, were any questions asked from civil engineering?
Yes, my interview was majorly based on the civil engineering background and technical side of the services.
Sir, can you mention any few specific questions based on civil engineering that were asked?
For civil engineering, they asked me about green buildings. They asked me about Eco-Niwas Samhita. Then they asked me about the techniques I would like to implement in UPSC building. Then they came to the types of concrete, etc. Then the interview shifted to the technical aspect. CISF is my first preference. So they asked me about the technical things which I will implement in the services. And then whole interview was around the international relations and the paramilitary services.
Sir, what were the hobbies that you mentioned in your DAF?
I mentioned sketching, clay sculpting, tennis ball cricket and swimming as my hobbies.
So any questions were asked on that?
No question.
Any international relations basis question?
Yes, international relations questions were asked on Israel-Hamas war, then borders of northeast states with Myanmar, China and Bangladesh, and also some questions on the generic international questions.
Sir, any national politics question like recent government formation, anything based on polity was asked?
No question on election.
So sir, questions were more on the DAF basis or more on the current affairs basis according to you?
They asked me more about on DAF due to my engineering background, and current affair questions were more like opinion based questions and not fact based questions.
Sir, did you practice any mock from the coachings?
Yes, I practiced mocks in Pune, but I didn't practice any mock in Delhi.
Sir, any relevance was there for the mock interview? Should future candidates prefer doing mock interviews or should they prefer on their own?
No, mock interviews are really helpful. Candidate will get to know about the etiquettes and how to answer some questions because candidate has to be attentive in their interviews, and they get to know what should be your pitch of voice in the interview, how should you make eye contact, those things you will get.
Body language and presentation.
Yes, body language.
Sir, according to you, the board was cordial or they were trying to put pressure on you?
No, I had experience of cordial board before, but this board was not that cordial because EPFO and CAPF interviews are going parallel. So the board was asking a bit difficult questions.
Okay. So last question, according to you, how will you rate yourself out of 10 on present?
I will rate my interview 7 out of 10.
That is good, sir. Thank you, sir.